Hi folks, just a quick walk around of this Transporter T6 T32 long wheelbase 204 DSG Highline Combi fitted with our LV Sportline pack. Just talk through what this van's got. Just at the front here, so this one's fitted with our standard LV front splitter. Gloss black grills there with a silver grille trim. A lot of people ask what that little thing is for there. So that is for the adaptive cruise. This one's fitted with adaptive cruise control, and also it's a city emergency stop. So what that means is if you're in traffic or whatever and you just daydream a little bit and car in front of you stops, the van will kind of automatically stop itself. Just an added safety feature that's standard on all of these. It's got the LED headlights, offer much brighter vision, and they look really cool with the LED daytime running lights. Starlight blue metallic, so one of my favourite colours this. It's like a kind of dark blue but really metallic in the sunlight, as you can see under the lights in here as well. So the main grille with gloss black, all that is part of the Sportline pack. Just round the side, this is fitted with a 20-inch black Zetos, lowered 40mm on the springs, and finished off with the black sidebars and the black roof bars. Again, something a lot of people ask is the difference between short and long wheelbase. So you see here that gap at the back of the sliding door there to the wheel arch, so you've got about just over a foot, and that's the difference. So where that little stone protector sticker is on a short wheelbase, the door finishes just there. So that is the difference between the two. This one's fitted with the twin electric doors, so they can be activated on the key from inside the van, from the interior door handle or the exterior door handle. We call this the Caravelle style leather, and this is finished with a grey stitch. It's got all our lining pack, and we've got the touch LED lighting, so we'll just touch those on and off. And we've got the switch for that just down here, and also we've got the vehicle running, so all the USB ports illuminated up as well. So charging points each side for the kids in the back or whatever, charge their iPads, phones, whatever else. You've got 4 of those, 2 each side. Around the back of the van, we've got the carbon fibre bumper protector, and we've got the tailgate spoiler on there as well. Really see the colour there. So open the back. So this is electric tailgate model. Again, that can be activated on the key. So you've got a little button on the side of the key. As you walk up to the vehicle, open it, then press and hold the button, and that'll open the tailgate for you. So if you have got stuff to put in there, quite easy. You'll see from there as well, you've got the 2+1 rear seat arrangement. So the rear seats in all of our transporters are all quick release, so all of those can be out of the vehicle within about a minute. You can take the single out on its own, or you can take the double out on its own, so you can turn them out into a 3-seater or a 4-seater. It's quite handy if you're transporting things like motorbikes. In a long wheelbase, you can fit a motorbike in there on a front wheel chock. Still keep the single seat in, so if there's 3 of you, you can still go away with the bike in the back. So that's pretty handy. So you've got the LV lining pack in the back of there, so it's carpet lined. At the back of all that, there's the Thermaliner insulation. That's 2-fold. It gets rid of a lot of the noise of the standard van, and it also keeps it warmer in the winter months, cooler in the summer months. Those bumps on the back here, so it's these. They're the electric door motors, that's what they are. And again, just to reiterate the long wheelbase thing, you can see there you've got 2 separate tie down points just there, and again, that's the difference between the short and the long wheelbase. So you'd only have the 4 tie downs in total in the back, whereas this has got 6. So hit the button and just drop that down. As I say, this is a twin electric door model, so you've got a sliding door on the driver's side as well. And just show you inside the van. So you've got the electric windows, the electric door mirrors. It's got the folding door mirrors as well, which is a factory option. Got the auto lights down there, that's standard on the high line. Fog lights are all on the same switch. So another cool feature that this one's got, if when I put the main beam on, you'll see just there we've got a little A in the main beam symbol. So this van's equipped with high beam assist. So when you put the high beam on, it automatically dips up and down as it needs to. If you go into a lit area, if the car comes towards you, if you come up behind another vehicle. Adaptive cruise we've already talked about, that's the button for it there. So what adaptive cruise means is the vehicle will monitor the vehicle in front and match the speed. So if you set the cruise to, let's say, 60 miles an hour, you come up behind a vehicle that's doing 50, the vehicle will slow down itself to 50 miles an hour. If that then pulls in, it will speed back up to 60. It brakes for traffic. It is a really clever feature. So this van's equipped with a Discover Media navigation. We've also got App Connect. So App Connect is where you connect your smartphone up. So you've got Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You can use Google Maps on your phone, or Apple Music, Spotify, all that kind of stuff. It'll read your WhatsApp messages to you and everything. So we've got heated seats, 3 settings on the heated seats, driver and passenger. Great for days like today. Got heated windscreen, that's standard on Highline. You see you've got the parking sensor button there. This vehicle is equipped with front and rear parking sensors and camera. So that button switches the parking sensors on if you're nosing into something, or if you want to switch them off if you're reversing up to something you parked up and you just want the sensor to go off, you just press that. You also get a visual display on the radio with the parking sensors as well. So we've got the comfort dash, got all the nice kind of grey and titanium finish on there. On a standard dashboard, all this here, this is all open. You've not got this handy centre pocket here. A lot of times again we'll get asked, can we make this into a 6-seater? So yes, we can. We can add a double passenger seat into this if you do need the 6 seats. And what we can do as part of that is actually put the standard dash panel in just here. So it gets rid of this, because you can have the double seat in there with that, but it makes it very tight on the legroom for probably only a small child really. But we can remove that, so you can get you know, as kind of a normal van without the comfort dash should be, but you still retain all the nice finish on the front and the top. Got the electric sunroof up there. I think that's pretty much everything. So thanks for watching, guys. If you need any more information, you'll find full details on our website, which is www.leightonvans.co.uk. Hit us up on social media, Instagram or Facebook. Give us an email, info@leightonvans.co.uk. Got lots of stock, lots of short and long wheelbase vans in all different colours. Got 4Motions, we've got new and we've got used vans. Just give us a shout. Cheers.